Hello and welcome to video CRM. You can see this app is similar to the menus that you see in the ERPs. Each of these apps is like a menu in your ERP system. You have the CRM app, then you have the sales app, dashbooks, documents, accounting. So top you have the screen, you will get the alerts area. So anytime you set up some flow, including alerts, it will pop up here when you system. This is a messaging section where you can connect to your in the company, send messages and receive messages. Let's go to the CRM app. You see is the different opportunities available at this time. The screen has different stages, which of course can be customized. So when one of the stages is right now in the new quantified proposition for one, but you can always add more stages, or you can change the existing stages. For example, you can make this as similarly, you can see the view in base. The system has the facility to group the views in the way that you so we can easily produce. For example, we can change this view by sales. You can see that the view is no reflecting different salespersons. Likewise, you can go by city, country. Let's say you see the data by country. You can select that and you can see that data now is arranged in countries. Another way of looking at the data, you can see it in terms of list view. So this is the Kanban view. You can list view. The list view is very convenient when you produce a report. You can select the list view and you can export list view. So it will go into an Excel sheet, easy for any kind of thing. We also have what's known as the pivot view, which is again a reporting tool. We'll come to that. You have a calendar view. So calendar view, see all the different appointments or meetings that you have set up with your customers. Pivot view, as I said, pivot view gives you an ability to analyze your data, and you can again in different measures to analyze, like days to close, days to convert, for example, expected revenue. You can say days to close. You can that data changed, and you can change this view here. On so you know, have change of Excel. You can expand all that. You can convert it in this version. So you can see that the same data can be easily converted, and also it can be you can create a graph. Right? Types of graphs can be created. Area there in each of the area. You can insert this into a spreadsheet. Graph will directly taken to a spreadsheet. Reporting purposes. You can create dashboards. So easy reporting is feature of CRM. Let's go back to the opportunities. You name it just like it. Back to it later. You can also see where your uh, prospects are located. The map. So it's a good tool for salespeople to create different activities and connect with their prospects. You can see all the activities created, different prospects, and to the pipeline. So as I said, like talking about opportunities or activities, you can create activities on the fly. You can create new activities by just go to this one activity, and you can say that you can schedule an activity or this is already due, then you can complete the activity done, and create another activity. Schedule, say scheduling activities as a meeting. You can calendar and you can put it the meeting at the time that you're meet. Just an example. You can also have several sales teams like Qatar and Dubai. Each of these sales teams, we can figure an email address, for example, to for the any email comes to the address, it will go automatically to sales Qatar team. Similarly, you can have members team and have you can accept emails from and what are all the assignment possibilities. You can assign the lead directly based on the conditions. Like for example, the lead is coming from Qatar, it will sales. So it's the teams and side. Also, configuration can be made so that every salesperson see his or her activities. So this is another technical level. Let me show you customers section in your CRM. It will be easy to them by salesperson, for example, and sales big, sales big, and then if you do you'll get a full picture of customer details, meetings that you have scheduled, some opportunities, sales are related, invoiced amount, partner ledger, documentation. So then one screen you get all related to customer. One other area we want to show is specifically some of the customization that we have as either ERP made for the system in terms of project management companies also have some estimation before you get project. Here we have included the standard CRM does not have this one, but we have made the customer for this. Where there's a job estimates. So or at the time of the sale, we can create job estimate. Uh, can be made based on as required by many of customers. Here you can select the custom and you'll find that the screen we have all the different estimations for quoting. It's just for the quote sake. So you can, for example, what are the materials, is the type, and you can create multiple products. We have created some product demonstration, like have descriptions, new products can be created and kept will fall under material type. The cost for this material will come from the inventory directly, and then for the sake of can add as the requirement was add certain estimates like charges, and you can also have a margin. Here you put a table. You can do that, and you'll get an estimate column. See the estimated price. So based on this estimated price, you can quote. So you know what the your maximum there in order to make this quote. So I can make it. Similarly, labor, anything like labor, for example, installation, and if there's any duty, maybe there's charge, charges to be added, charges. You can have it, and you can see the prices estimated. That you can put your estimate. Well, just show this, and you can save it and put a estimate before the. You can see this. It is up job, sales team, the material estimate, labor estimate, overhead estimate, total estimate. This is the estimate can be provided. Once that is agreed and it can be converted. Now it has been that estimate is okay. Once that is estimate is okay, we can then convert this, get the approval, process the code, in press the button. So in the right side, you will see that the it's appearing as for the creation of the confirmation. This will be available for future and can be recorded. Then comes here. So now based on this material labor that we have done, you can create a code. You don't have to redo. You can directly create and you can get the code created here. So let's look at here. The code is selection lines here. So like as a code, and you can send it to email, or you can even give a customer portal. Customer can review the customer, and you can give this remarks and so but to you can see that it's now it has gone to stage, and then once this is confirmed, so then you can confirm it will move sale. This is in short functionality of CRM sales. Apart from this, you have other related to sales, including vision to send out emails and all other marketing related functionality also. So thank you for watching, and call is for